Number 1 plate. Number 1 plate. Oh, you put clips. Number 1 plate. Show it to me. Good job. Be. Okay, next plate number 3. Lagyan ng clips ang plate number 3. Show it to me. Pakita kay teacher. Okay, good job. Number 3. Tanggalin na. 3. Number 2. Plate number 2. Plate number 2, lagyan ng clips. Show it to me. Show. Number 2, number 2, number 2. Next, plate number 1. Plate number 1, plate number 1, plate number 1. Okay, next. Number 3. Oh, good job. Next. Number 3. Girls. Number 3. Show. Dito lang. Huwag magtayo. Show it to me. Show. Oh, number 3. Number 3. Okay. Paper. Plate number 2. Number 2. Oh, lagyan ng clip. Number 2. Oh, pakita dito kay teacher. If you are done. Good job. Good job. Good job. Next, number 1. Okay. Next, number 1. Paper plate number 1. Then show it to me. Dahil, show you number 1. Good job. Judah.